special mention to yazi ibhola lentwana. Mina it doesn't take me 2 minutes ukubona iplayer. Mthutuzeli Mthiani, Stellenbosch.
Yes.
Mina ngaye. Doesn't take me ifana nale izolo sokhuluma ngaye ewinga ngizokutshela manje. Special mention to him. I still need him. I need to build consistency. I need to build mentality from the boy. So if I give him this, but I'm hoping teams are watching him. I've got to Velimseli Mdwandwe as well. Special mention to Colinaros. Baller. I've got to Uspesihle Mkhize. And what surprised me Mkhize, and he might make my list because I was shocked by the age. Very simple in terms of being clean, hardly loses the ball, keeps it very simple. He's 26, which and he comes from Mamelodi Sundowns, properly developed. So that played a role. But there's one player I genuinely like. Plays for Durban City.
Okay.
Plays for Brooklyn Pochenpoel.
Oh, Pochenpoel.
Pochenpoel.
So ngiphethe izinja kahle kahle.
Almost
So
something
I can
so
choose
wild.
any, but I will definitely ngiphethe no Ndamulo Mapangula from Polokwane City. I like the boy, but just special mention. But personally, I would go ngo Brooklyn Pochenpoel as a 6.
Pochenpoel.
You know what, guys?
That guy
Sometimes
just sounds not
sometimes
nice.
in a team you need experience.
Pochenpoel.
Hi, man. We let that from Bokai. Sometimes you need experience.
Yeah.
You need leadership. You need players that have done it at a high level.
Okay, who might that be?
My CDM is Miguel Tim.
Oh, okay.
I feel like Miguel Tim is one of the underrated guys at Pirates.